Today we are going to prepare a natural liquid insecticide using fresh papaya leaves. This insecticide is eco-friendly and helps control pests like aphids, caterpillars and mites. First, take some fresh green papaya leaves. Make sure the leaves are healthy and free from disease. Leaves from the lower or middle part of the plant are best. Do not remove more than 2 to 3 leaves at a time. Make sure to pick healthy mature green leaves. Avoid very young leaves and yellow, damaged or diseased ones. Make sure to use them fresh for insecticide preparation or medicinal use. Take 5 to 6 liters of clean water in a bucket. Cut the papaya leaves into small pieces using a knife or crush them thoroughly by hand in the water until the leaf extract is released and well mixed. Papaya leaves contain natural enzymes and bioactive compounds that help suppress aphids, leaf miners, caterpillars, flea beetles, and mites. These pests commonly affect turnip, radish, cabbage, cauliflower, broccoli, spinach, okra, and leafy vegetables. Crush or squeeze the leaves thoroughly by hand until the juice mixes well with the water. Papaya leaf-based insecticide is a natural plant-derived solution widely used in organic and low-input farming systems. Its application offers multiple agronomic and environmental advantages. Now let it soak for 2 to 3 hours or overnight so the natural insecticidal properties are released. After soaking, strain the solution by hand to remove large leaf fragments, leaving a clear extract. After soaking, filter the mixture using a cloth or sieve to remove leaf residues. Pour the filtered solution into a sprinkler or watering can for uniform application on crops. Spray or sprinkle the prepared insecticide uniformly on all vegetables like cauliflower, broccoli, cabbage, radish, and others, preferably during early morning or late evening to ensure better effectiveness. This natural insecticide is effective against aphids, diamondback moth larvae, cabbage worms, and mites, which commonly affects cauliflower, cabbage, and broccoli crops. Spraying should be done during early morning or late evening hours to prevent leaf burn and to improve effectiveness. Spray the solution uniformly on the entire plant, giving special attention to the underside of leaves, leaf joints and growing points. These are the common hiding places for pests. Application of papaya leaf insecticide resulted in healthy vegetative growth and all crops reached harvest maturity within 30 to 45 days. Papaya leaf insecticide is a safe, economical, and eco-friendly option for managing insect pests in vegetables. When used regularly and correctly, it supports healthy crop growth and reduces dependence on chemical pesticides. Papaya leaf insecticide is a cost-effective, safe, and eco-friendly pest control solution for turnip, radish, and a wide range of vegetable crops. Its regular use promotes healthy growth, improves produce quality, and supports long-term soil and environmental health.